The truth is, if I just had a couple of sizes to choose from to stack, I would not be mad at just having 1/10 and 1/4 ounce fractional pieces. Why, you might ask? Well, they are simply more affordable. They are more affordable to buy and to sell. And I feel comfortable purchasing a 1/10 or a 1/4 ounce gold coin. It is more realistic in an average person's budget. And I know from experience that I don't put as much thought into purchasing a 1/10 or a 1/4 ounce as I would a 1/2 ounce coin or maybe a full ounce. It's almost like the larger and more costly the coin is, I want to make sure I'm buying something that will most likely not only hold its value, but maybe even go up in value. For example, when I did purchase my very first 1/2 ounce, which is this guy right here, I had to think about getting something desirable, not only just cheap. Because the larger that you invest in a gold coin, I personally do want to make sure that it is liquid, which is easy to sell. It's going to move fast and easy. I really would think about, for example, these two coins here. They're both 1/10 ounce gold coins. However, this is a Perth Mint Australian Kookaburra 1/10 ounce coin, and this is an American Gold Eagle. Now, just my personal opinion, but I believe that if I were to put both of these out on just say eBay, for example, for sale, both the same price. Say I put them both out there, you know, just throwing it out there for $200. I do believe that this American Gold Eagle is going to sell faster than this gold Kookaburra. Now, I could be wrong, you know, but I do feel like the American Gold Eagle will reach a broader, wider audience versus the Kookaburra. And not saying anything bad or that the Kookaburra is a bad purchasing choice. It is actually, this one was a good choice. It actually went up in value. However, you just have to find a certain buyer for the Kookaburra, somebody that collects Kookaburras or just kind of likes that series or that design. The American Gold Eagle is, like I said, a more broader, wider audience to purchase the coin from. So I just sort of feel like I would probably sell this American Gold Eagle first before this Kookaburra. So what I'm trying to say is that the larger the coins, the gold coins that I do purchase, the more I do think about it and give it more thought on what exactly I am purchasing. I want to make sure that I am purchasing something that I am going to be able to sell if ever need be, or if anybody in my family that I were to leave it behind to need it to sell or trade. It would be something very recognizable and desirable as well as hold its value. So I guess what I'm trying to say is the smaller the coin is, the 1/10, the 1/25, I don't, you know, worry terribly about them selling because they're less money, and I feel like I personally don't put as much of a depth thought into purchasing those smaller fractional gold pieces. I just kind of pick them up for fun, and they're cheaper and they're easier to buy. They're more affordable than even a 1/4 ounce or a 1/2 ounce. So, you know, when I buy a 1/10 or a 1/25, I feel like, you know, it's just something that you don't have to put as much thought in as a 1/4 ounce, a 1/2 ounce, or a full ounce. I want to make sure when I'm purchasing a larger coin and investing more money into these coins that I'm purchasing something that is not only just cheap, but desirable, recognizable, liquid, easy to sell, easy to, you know, hold its value, maybe not only retain its value, but maybe go up in value too. And these American Gold Eagles are very recognizable. So I find myself, you know, trying to purchase something in these 1/4 ounce sizes that is very recognizable, very desirable as well. Like, for example, these LIBERTADs, very popular, big, wide audience for collectors, and you know, people want these. They sell easy. They actually go out of stock fast. They are a little bit harder to keep into a stock, and you know, they move fast. So that is a big part of stacking these 1/4 ounces that I have come to learn to consider, is just purchasing something that will be easy to sell. I don't want to go off and buy some, you know, generic coin or round in a 1/4 ounce size, because it might be harder to sell. It's a little bit more money for somebody to spend, and the more money that is for someone to spend, the more they're going to pull back or think twice if they're going to purchase that or not. So you want to make sure you do get something that is very, very desirable as well as recognizable. And this is my 1/4 ounce collection thus far. I have been trying to pick up at least one a month, and I did start collecting these 1/4 ounces earlier this year at the beginning of January. So really I've been picking up, let's see, well, it's the 6th month, so I have these 4, and then I have these 2 LIBERTADs, that's 6. And then I have this one that I also picked up this year. And this Queen's Beast was my very first 1/4 ounce purchase. And, you know, I don't regret it. It's a very nice piece to have in my collection. It was cheaper at the time, so I did go ahead and pick it up. It is, you know, 24 karat gold, and it's very beautiful. I do love horses, so I like it. However, you know, I think if I were to go back and have a chance to repurchase this, I probably would have not purchased this coin, to be honest with you. I probably would have purchased, if I was going to get something from the Royal Mint out of the UK, I might have went with the Britannia instead. It's more common, it's more well known, it's more recognizable than this coin. And you know, this one I have to find a certain collector if I ever wanted to, you know, sell it or get rid of it. I really would have to find somebody that maybe is collecting the Queen's Beast series, or you know, likes that. So this one was, you know, my first one, and you live and you learn, you know. After that, I try to be a little bit more careful with my purchases. As you can see, I was staying with the Eagles, LIBERTAD, some American coinage. I do have one Austrian Philharmonic because I feel like it has been a little bit more recognizable lately, and I feel like I just sort of wanted one in my collection. They're a beautiful coin. It's 24 karat gold. It's a good price, so I felt like it was a stackable quarter-ounce coin to add to my collection. Now, would I stack a bunch of these? Probably not. Would I go into buying or doing a whole tube of them? Most likely no. But, you know, having one or so in the collection isn't too bad for me personally. Moving forward, I am going to continue to try to stay disciplined in my goal of quarter-ounce gold coins and work towards filling a tube of 20 quarter-ounce gold pieces. And that's pretty much it, you guys, for today. I just kind of wanted to share some of my quarter-ounce gold pieces with you all. Real quick, this is the Horse of Hanover, and this is a 2020, a quarter-ounce, 24 karat gold. This one here is a 2017 proof Mexican Libertad. Then you have the, I believe this is a 2021, yes, a 2021 24 karat quarter-ounce Philharmonic, and it's a face value of 25 euro. And then you have the 2019 BU quarter-ounce Mexican Libertad. And these guys down here are all the same. They are a 2021 Type 1 American Gold Eagle. They're pretty much all 2021s here. And yeah, I'm just sort of waiting on the Type 2s. And this guy back here is my slabbed quarter-ounce. This is a 2016 24 karat standing Liberty. Beautiful, beautiful piece. Yeah, let me know what you guys think about fractional gold and quarter-ounce gold. Go ahead and leave me a comment in the comment section. I do love hearing from you. I appreciate each and every one of you checking out my video, and don't forget to hit the like button, and I will see you in the next one.